Jamaica's health sector is feeling the strain as the dengue outbreak worsens. The authorities are reporting major overcrowding at some facilities, meaning wait time at some public health facilities may be even longer. More in this report.
It's like a serious game of tug-of-war. On one side, dengue. On the other, COVID-19. And hospital resources are being stretched in the middle. Jamaica's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie, said most hospitals, especially those that are regional, are usually overburdened at this time of the year.
At this time, we're not only seeing an overload from persons with viral illnesses, but this time of the year, we tend to have more persons coming in with uncontrolled, non-communicable diseases and the complications thereof.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said the overcrowding at hospitals is normal this time of the year. He listed a few.
Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, Cornwall Regional, of course KPH, SAV because of trauma, bike accidents and so on. St. Anne's Bay because of trauma, road accidents in particular.
To somewhat get ahead of an expected pile-up at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, Dr. Tufton said the University Hospital of the West Indies will now be treating children at no cost.
Normally when you have severe cases, persons end up at pediatric wards, or if they're in this part of the world, of the country, at the Bustamante Hospital for Children. So we do anticipate pressures on the system at the Bustamante Hospital for Children.
And the health officials again singled out social cases.
We're appealing to persons to go and take their relatives so that we can deal with some of the crowding issues that we have in hospitals.
She also urged Jamaicans to be patient at this time.
Usually we have a good triage system and we are able to pick up those persons that need attention right away. And so sometimes you will see people rush ahead of you. It is because we consider those to be more of an emergency. The doctors and nurses, all the people that work in the hospitals are also overwhelmed when they have these large crowds to deal with, and to deal with the aggression on top of it really places them in a very bad position.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.